What's going on, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on this, show you guys what it is, what it's for. It should be the steering spindle or knuckle for the 2000 SR5 Toyota 4Runner. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is an item I picked up from a buddy of mine. His name is Josh Young. He runs P&W 4Runner Connection. Sells parts and stuff for 4Runners. This box is really heavy. It's actually 35 pounds. I'm going to cut this real quick. Take the label off of it. This should be the steering spindle for the 2000 SR5 Toyota 4Runner I call Skye. I did find a steering spindle since mine is broken and it flew off. It's definitely double packaged. Looks like a couple boxes inside of it, of themselves, which is very nice. What is this, a mat? It looks like he packaged it with some mats. Some carpet mats. That's interesting. Here's another one. Well, I got some little, it says ground collection global change color 105543 morning mist. Yeah, it's actual, he packaged it with carpeting, which is pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie, that is pretty awesome. Got bubble wrap, as well as cardboard paper. Another little carpet mat. Alright, so we're gonna have to put this guy on the floor real quick. Ugh. Lots and lots of carpet mats to stick in it. It also has foam and stuff in here too. So there's a large selection of packaging in here. Paper, foam, large pieces of foam, plastic, carpeting. So we got that out. So here it is. It does have needles from a tree on it, which is no big deal. Looks like pine needles. Put you guys back up here. And grab a vacuum real quick. Flip it over. So here is the new spindle for the 2000 SR5. That's why it's so heavy. Well, this looks like a decent ball joint. More than likely gonna press, oh, this is a greasable ball joint. I'm more likely gonna press this ball joint out because I have a brand new ball joint for it. I'm gonna strip this entire assembly. This does have the ABS sensor on it as well. So here's the ABS sensor. I'm going to use my bolts for my caliper. Probably use my shield. I have a brand new upper ball joint, so I'm going to press in a new ball joint. But on mine, this ear snapped off on mine. So that's the reason why I picked another one up. And I can show you guys that real quick. And this room's kind of a mess, but you guys can see mine snapped off. So other than that, this is a good spindle, but my brake line and my ABS sensor are all snapped off. But and I will take you guys outside real quick just to show you guys. It's nice that it has the entire ABS line all the way down. That's awesome. I will be taking this apart and I will be putting my own hub assembly on. So I'm going to take this hub assembly off, put my own on, clean this all up. Take you guys outside real quick and I'll show you. I've been working on Skye. I have a battery in Beast too. I found the parasitic draw. Parasitic draw on Beast was just the light bar switch. But so got another lower control arm. I already removed the shock. As you can see, the bolt just spins. I already removed the sway bar, as well as the steering tie rod. And I just gotta remove these bolts to get the new ones in, and that would be good. The upper control arm is prepared for a new ball joint. Everything is prepared. And I actually have a charger on Beast right now. It's at 13.7 volts, 3.0 amps are going in. The battery's at 75% is what it says. I did get lights changed out for this dome light as well as that dome light. They are LEDs. And the dome lights, the bulb that goes in this light is the same bulb that goes in these for the 97. When you get to a 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002, this panel changed. You know, both these panels right here were turned into one panel assembly. And so it takes the little rectangular oval bulbs in the front here, which is what this is and what the very back light in the back is. So 97s are a little bit easier when it comes to stuff like that. Where 2000s up in the front, you have the round bulbs with the two little metal tangs. But figured I would just show you guys making progress on putting Skye back on her tires, and then I'll start working on the bumper and the panel and everything, because I do have all the stuff needed for the bumper to be completely replaced, all the valances, the panels, you know, I got the fenders as well. So we'll be getting all of that fixed soon, hopefully soon, unless things come up and I get busy. But brand new spindle, brand new used spindle. I'm gonna strip this off, strip this apart, clean this dust shield for later, for in case I need it for something later. Probably, you know, another 4Runner is fine. And then I will put my non-rusted hub and studs on this assembly. I'll clean this assembly, make sure I get all the pins and needles and, you know, tree bark and all that stuff off. And put a new ball joint in it, press that in, and we'll be good to install it on the truck. It's a very nice spindle in very, very good condition. The hub, all you got to do is just take these 4 bolts off to get the hub assembly off. Hey, I can flip it upside down. This one is pretty rusty. Sounds good though. Don't hear any grinding. But you know, if you guys need parts for your 4Runners, your 3rd gen 4Runners, go give Josh Young a message on Facebook and tell him that Antonio sent you. He's sold me lots of awesome, great condition parts. I've gotten 2 cargo covers from him for the rear. I've gotten all their cleats. I've gotten extra cleats. I'm looking for another cargo cover. I told him I'm looking for another 2000 limited edition oak beige cargo cover. When he gets one, you'll let me know. Everything he sent me is in way better condition than I could have ever hoped for. You know, and I'll clean this plug. It's pretty dirty. But just needs a little cleaning, a little love, and we'll have a good spindle for the truck. That's all I got for you guys today, though. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. You guys are always awesome. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video and watching and everything, and I'm pretty sure I said that already, and I apologize. But as always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. And we'll do more videos on progress and everything coming up. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Peace! Made a little boo-boo in the video. Just been a long day, guys. I stated that all you need to do is take these 4 bolts off around the perimeter to get the hub off. That is wrong. These 4 bolts, I don't know why I said it like that, but these 4 bolts just hold the dust shield on. You need to pop this cap, this center cap off for a 2-wheel drive in the front, and then you need to pop this cap off right here. That is the dust shield cap on the rear. Pop those 2 off, and then you will have access to pressing this hub assembly off of the wheel bearing. Just quick little update.